Okay, wait. This is Carolyn, and she's been learning some words. So, Carolyn, can you hold up your word and tell us what it is?
Hat.
Well, it's not hat yet. What word do you have first?
At.
At. How do you spell at?
A-T.
Okay, and what letter are you going to put in front of it?
H.
And what word do you have?
Hat.
Very good. Would you like to pick another letter to put in front of
Yes.
it? Okay.
C.
Okay, what happens if you put a C in front of at?
Cat.
Very good. Now what letter would you like to pick? Well, look at your letters and decide which one you'd like to pick.
Pat.
Pat, very good. Okay, now look at your letters again. And here, let's put the letters you already did over here. What letter did you pick? Tell us.
Sat.
What letter did you pick?
S.
And what word did it make?
Sat.
Very good. Okay, put it in your done pile. Over there. Okay, and now pick another letter. And hold it up and show us what letter you pick. What letter did you pick? Show us what letter it is.
I have to think.
Okay, go ahead and think. We'll wait for you.
Pat.
And what letter was it?
B.
Was it a B?
P.
P, that's right.
Upside down P.
Oh my goodness.
It was like that.
Yeah, you're getting to be a very good reader. What other letter would you like to pick? Let's put the P over here, and you have 3 letters left.
What's the sound of this one?
Well, what letter is it?
Rat.
Yeah, what did you pick to make rat?
R. R.
Yep, that spells rat. Well, you have it backwards, but that... See, look. You have RTA, but hold it the other way. It's upside down. That's okay. What letter would you like to pick next? You have 2 letters left.
Okay, what sound does this make?
Well, what letter is it?
What's it got? I need this.
Well, look at it.
I can't figure out the sound.
Okay, but what letter is it named?
S.
F, and what does F say?
I can't do that part.
Okay, F says...
I need to think a little.
Okay.
This is sat.
Very good, it's fat.
This is sat.
Very good. And you have 1 letter left.
Pat. This is pat.
That's Pat?
Okay.
Well, what letter did you pick?
M.
M, and how does M sound?
Whoopsie, I didn't think right.
Okay, just think again. Matt, very good thinking. I'm so proud of you.
Me. I did mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
You are getting to be someone who's learning to read.
Now I'll read something I need.
Okay.
Okay. I'll need